Hello everyone and welcome back. So this is the last video of this series, and in this video we are going to learn how to add the validation and calling the login API in React Native. So let's start with the practical. So for the validation we are going to create the one global validation. This is my utils folder, and just want to create a one validation file with the name of validation.js. So this is my validation file. So first I'm going to create the validation for the login. So we have a validation for the email and password. So for that I'm going to create a one function, export cons email this is the email validation, and just type the check the email, and I'm going to define the regex. So for that I'm going to the browser. This is the Aketo website. You can take the regex from here. You can find the regex for the Python, Go, and everything you want. So I'm just going to the JavaScript. Just click on there, and here on this side you can see the regex for the email, phone number, passwords, whatever you want. You can copy and paste it. So I already defined the regex for my email and password. So and this is my notepad. Just copy both and come here and just paste it in the top. So this is my regex, you can see. And now I'm going to, so first I'm going to check the email is empty or not. For that, just define like this and just return, please enter your email. And after that I'm going to test the regex, like email regex, email. We have a email regex.test. If the condition become true, just type the email. So now we are going to check if the condition become true of the email. So and we are going to return also, please enter your valid email. If these two conditions become false, so we are going to return empty strings. So this is for the email validation. So now I'm going to create for the password validation. So first we are going to export the function, export const, and just type the password, check password validation, and just define the password, pass in the function. Just define the password, and now we are going to just take one f and password. If we are going to check is the password is there any value in the password or not, and then we are going to return please enter your password. And after that we are going to test the password, like we have a password regex. We are going to check the condition. We are going to check with the test password test, and we are going to pass type the password, and just also return again, and it will just copy this and paste it. At least one uppercase and one digit, a minimum, and 6 character. And if the condition become false, so if these both condition become false, so we are going to return empty strings, and also just format your code. So now I'm going to the login screen and call this validation. So let's go to the login screen. So this is my login screen, you can see. So first we are going to create the state for email and password. Email and set email. We are going to import the use state from the React and just copy, and password for password, and also set password, and email error, I want to show the error also, and password error also. Password error, so let's and set password error, and let me save it and just format the code. Create a one function const, create a one function with the name of handle validation call, and just create a one name const check email validation, and just import the email validation also. After that you just assign the email and const. Now I'm going to create for the password and check password validation is equal to password validation and assign the password. So now I'm going to set the email error and just assign the your check email validation, and also set password error and just assign your check password validation. After that we are going to create a one condition. If the condition become true, so we are going to call the API inside the f check email validation and check password validation pass the condition, we are going to call the API. So now I'm going to show the alert. So let's see, working pass, just type the pass condition, and so we just create the function. So now we are going to use these functions. So first I'm going to the email input, so just copy the email input. So this is the email input, you can see a custom text input. So first I'm going to define the value, inside the value email and on-chain text. I already defined the on-chain text in the custom text input, and just type text, and we are going to define the set email, assign the text, and also set email error, email validation, and pass your text. We are going to add the password, so this is my password validation. And first we have a value, inside the value just type the password, and then we are on chain text and just text, and just pass the set password. This is my password, just assign the text and set password error and validation password validation, and just define the text again and save it. So now we are going to call the function. So this is my function, and this is my button. Let's see the button. Where is the button? So this is my button, you can see, and we are going to call the button in here. Let's see, condition is not true, it becomes show the alert also for us, and here just type the else, and please fill your inputs, save it. If I click in the sign up, it will show you please fill your inputs. Let's see. So now I'm going to show the errors. Just copy the email error and just take a one text and just paste it and apply the condition. As there's any value in the email, it will show the email. If there's no, so let's see. Now you can see, please enter your email. If I type the email, appstack@gmail.com. So now I'm going to assign the styling also for this. So let me remove the email and just assign the styling. First we have a color, and colors.red. You should apply the red color, and also margin bottom. We need to apply the margin bottom 12. And let's see, font family, regular. And just copy this text also, and come and also just password error, apply the password error and show the password error, save it. So now you can see with the both we have a please enter your password, please enter your email, and just nasib@gmail.com. So and the condition is become true. And also for the password, so we need one digit also, so the password become true. So like this we can add the validation and show the error of the validation in React Native. So now I'm going to call the login API in React Native. So for that we are going to use I'm going to use the fake dummy APIs. So this is let's see the fake API, fake. So this is my fake APIs, you can see, and we have a auth. So let's see the login API. Let's find the login API. So this is my login API, you can see, and just copy the login API. So now I'm going to create a one function, const call API, and just async Axios dot post, and just so add your API. After that we are going to add the body, and this is my body, you can see. Just copy this and paste it, just remove this and save it. And just now I'm going to take a then, and we have a response, and just log, and let's see the response also. And that catch also, we are going to call the catch method. If you face any error, so we need to know what's the error. So for that we are going to catch error, and just type the log, and just define the error. So let's call the API, because we are using the async await. Just copy the function and call it in the, if the condition become true, just call it in here. And let's see. So now I'm going to open the debugger also, Command D if you are using the Mac OS. This is the debugger, you can see that. Let me call the API again. So we just call the API, you can see we have a success email. This is our token, you can see. Let me show the tokens also. So let's see the token dot data. Let's see again. So this is my token, you can see. So now you can see we just call the API and we get the token. So after that I'm going to create a one screen with the name of home, and this my screens. And when I get the token, so I will navigate to the home screen like this. Let me import the snippet. So let me import the safe area view also, safe area. let's save it. So this is my home screen. You can see now I'm going to the index file. We copy this and also export my screen from here, home. This is my home screen, you can see. So now I'm going to the, let me save it. So now I'm going to the navigation. This is my navigation, auth stack. I'm going to create a one screen with the name of stack.screen and name. We have a home screen and component, and just define your home component and save it. Let me import the home component from the screen. So in this project, I will not show you how to manage this thing with the Redux toolkit, but in next project, I will show you how to manage and the state with the Redux toolkit. So now we are going to the login screen. So this is my login screen, you can see, and we just call again the navigation dot navigate and just call your home screen. So when you get the response from the API, so I will navigate to the home screen. Let's see, this is my login screen and click on this and please enter the email and also type the password. You can see we just navigate to the home screen. So like this we can add the validation and call the APIs in React Native. So the next videos I will show you how to manage these things with the Redux toolkit. So see you in next video. For now, bye bye.